Di tú el título porque no sé decirlo bien.
In the early morning rain.
Toma uno.
Take one. Take. In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand and an aching in my heart and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long ways from home and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out to Rambo number 9, Big 707 set to go. But I'm soaking in the ground, where the pavement never grows, where the liquor tastes good, and the women all wear fast. There she goes, my friend, she's rolling out at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wind on high. She's a far westward bound, far above the clouds she flies, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours time. This old airport got me down, it's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here in the ground, cold and drunk as I may be. You can jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'll best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I'll best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I'll best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I'll best be on my way in the early morning rain. A la primera, ¿eh? Y esta, Elvis, cuando hizo su versión, que esta canción la ha cantado Dylan, la ha cantado Peter, Paul and Maury, Frank Sinatra, pero Elvis cuando hizo su versión hizo 45 tomas. Yo la primera. Y Elvis tenía 35 años, murió a los 40, yo tengo 60 y estoy aquí todavía. Still here. Bueno, ahora os dejo paso a vosotros para que podáis cantar, bailar, reír, intentar volver a ser felices otra vez.